The Hindu paper analysis. Telangana blast toll rises to 36 workers missing. 19 more bodies retrieved during search operation overnight after the explosion at the pharma unit. 14 bodies identified. CM announces 1 crore compensations to families of workers who died. Explosion at fireworks unit kills 8 workers in Tamil Nadu, 2 critical. Centre announces incentive scheme to create jobs. GST revenue collections in June at 4-month low of 1.85 lakh crore. Poll roll revisions exposes trouble for Bihar voters. Confusing code. An electoral official during the special intensive revision of the voter list in Bihar. Spotlight. A big AI shake-up. While Bengaluru is home to more than a lakh artificial intelligence professionals, AI has also brought with it fears of job loss. The launch of a survey recently by Karnataka's Department of Information Technology and Biotechnologies to assess the impact of AI on the workforce is an indication of the state getting set to face up to this multi-dimensional issue, writes Silpa Elizabeth. शक्ति दुबे देखो ये रैंक 1 होल्डर्स हैं. हर्षिता गोयल ना, ये सारे हमारे रैंक होल्डर्स हैं पीपीएससी के. सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन 2024. Kolkata College 6 Mishra expels to other accused in rape case. More state BJP chiefs named stage set for party president poll. ये तो इसके अंदर ही है आपका. साउथ कलकत्ता लॉ कॉलेज अथॉरिटीज टेक डिसीजन इन ट्यूसडे मीटिंग आफ्टर गवर्नमेंट नज amid growing public outrage over June 25 incident. Past complaints against prime accused surface. Maji in Puri to check Rath Yatra post stamped arrangement. MP High Court says retest of NEET UG candidates. SI requirement exams will not be cancelled. Rajasthan government to HC. Custodial death amid mounting political pressure. TN CM transfer probe to CBI. Odisha BJP suspends 5 workers after attack on civic body official. Himachal bears the brunt of monsoon fury. 5 more dead, 5 injured, 16 missing. Kerala launches drive to brand Munnar as responsible tourism destination by December. No leadership change now in Karnataka, says Congress. Telangana blast. Revant announces 1 crore ex gratia for kin of deceased. The Chief Minister of Telangana orders officials to identify those responsible and take stringent action against them. Also direct officials to conduct inspections in other chemical companions to identify shortcoming and prevent such accidents. Tribunal causes suspension of IPS officer in stamped case. RCB responsible for the large gathering of around 5 lakh people find the tribunal. Deposits 7 lakh in 10 days. SC tells Kerala government in dragging case. Pravada Chandrasekhar takes charge as Kerala police chief. Tirupati police deploy drones to track down drug peddlers. Kerala actor Nunu Munir arrested in defamation case. A triangular dynamic in South Asian power policies. Reserved factuality posts are still vacant and out of reach. Opinion. Achilles the Ambectrite he has emerged a counterpoint to Hindutva force, using tech to empower women and children. Bangalore and Mumbai see more above average heat days than Delhi. Delhi maximum temperatures have remained higher than the average for a majority of the summer months since 2015. Soil fertility rituals in Indus civilization. The page number is 18. 8 is tax content. Numbers of oppositions officials detained by Turkey on Tuesday. Fan collected by the railway Jammu divisions in June. The increase in India iron ore output from April to May. Charities calling for an end to the Gaza aid distribution system. The increase in gross GST collections in the month of June. A look at India's sports policy journey. When was a dedicated Department of Sport created? Why did India's sport policies remain tepid while the global sport ecosystem thrived in the 1980s to 200 2000? Why is the Google buying out some of its employees? What are backdoor layoff or other major companies also letting go of their employees? How does a telephone intercom function in an office setting? The technologies enabling seamless communications both within and outside the organization is called APABEX. APABEX stands for Electronic Private Automatic Branch Exchange. The most critical components of an APABEX system is the switching machines. Here is a quiz on event that happened on July 2. More focused Quad will help deliver better. Jaishankar. External Affairs Minister says India has every right to detain its people against terrorism and groupings partners should appreciate that he reiterates commitment to rules-based global order. It is not a chapter, it is on Bajrangbali. Okay. India has asked Pakistan to verify nationality of 80 prisoners. Both sides exchanged lists of civilian prisoners fisher in each other custody. Explosion at fireworks unit kills 8 workers. Poll roll revisions, explosive trouble for Bihar voters. Home Minister appeals against J&K SC order to repatriate woman deported to Pakistan accused in rape case to be in custody till July 8. Criminal law's biggest reform since independence, says Home Minister's NAI review meet held before Amarnath Yatra. Opposition's meeting with EC over Bihar SIR deferred. Drive on to identify person with multiple voters IDs. CEC person entitled to vote only in constituencies where he or she is ordinarily resident. He says at a meeting with booth level officers, special intensive revisions of electoral rules is underway in Bihar. Digital India projects use technologies to bridge gaps cut out middleman Modi. NDA's MPs walk out of House committee meeting over summoning Medha Patkar. Sanjeev Arora resigns from Rajya Sabha. Rahul says GST is a brutal tool of economic injustice and corporate cronyisms. RJT and allies are against constitution, says BJP. Navy inducts second indigenous stealth frigate in record time, delivered in 37 months. NS Udaygiri represents a quantum leap in the India's Navy in-house design capabilities, says Defence Minister. NS Tamal, last of foreign-built Navy ships commissioned. Udaygiri, the second ship of Project 17A stealth frigate, was delivered to the Indian Navy on Tuesday. Indo-French Army Express Shakti 2025 concludes. NCB Birds stop darknet-based drug vendor seizes drug. Railway launches Rail One app to ease ticket booking travel service. India reserves right to deter terror attack. Rajnath tells Hagist thanks US for help. 100 villages in Balasore hit by flood. Maruti Hyundai report double-digit fall in June sales. Okay, Mahindra and Mahindra show increase in dispatches to dealers last month, while Tata Motor witnessed a dip compared with June last year. Sharp decline in smaller segment car. Cabinet okays 1 lakh crore scheme to incentive private sector in R&D. SEBI appoints Sunil Jayawant Kadam as executive director. Auto parts maker Hero Motors files for 140 MN IPO. Case 1, Ramachandra is new RBI executive director. Manufacturing rises to 14-month high on buoyant exports order. MDB lending must ensure funds are used for intended purposes. AFE AGCO reach AGCO TAFE reach $260 MN settlement. India 10-year bond held to remain soft. NASSCOM Talent Council to aid digital workforce. MMDC zone iron ore output up, says Amispa Mukherjee. US FDA okays lupin's ophthalmic pain gel. Debit lending must ensure funds are used for intended purposes. Okay. London being targeted for speaking about Gaza at Glastonbury. Bob Flanagan. Algiers. Algerian courts upholds writer Sansal 5-year prison sentences. Moscow. Ukraine drone attacks kills 3, wounds 35 Russia's executes Islamabad. Pakistan assumes presidency of the UN Security Council for July. 10 among 2 killed by Israeli army in West Bank. At least 74 killed in Gaza by Israeli air strikes and gunfire. It is a picture. Pain of loss. Mourners attend the funerals of members of a family killed in an Israeli bombardment in Deir el-Balaha on Tuesday. At least 30 killed in a strike at seized cafe in Gaza City, a gathering spot for residents seeking internet and to charge their phones, and one of the few businesses is still operating during the war. Stammer faces revolt despite concessions on welfare bill. Bangladesh ex-PM denies crimes against humanity charges. Boy killed as militants strike in Balochistan. Court suspends Thailand PM to investigate leaked phone call. Okay, ठीक है. I love watching Rishabh play and the way he takes it on in all formats. Duke's ball of 2025 not doing as much as previous ones. Real Perichards hits tournaments record 153 mph serve against Bridge. Skipper Ryu leads England U19 to thrilling win in second ODI. India juggling act prioritize batting depth or 20 wickets. The kerfuffle over the compositions of the boiling attack in the potential absence of Bumrah has only made matters tougher. England will start from a positions of great strength in the second test. Skipper Gale point to fielding to spinner. Koke Hiroto eliminates Pigla. We are confident in our abilities to chase Stokes. AI Hilal knocks out Man City in a thriller. Logistics affected India in Pro League. Shivendra. He says the India tour will help create a strong backup for the national team. Adds that losing consecutive games does affect confidence. Reveals that the focus will now be on the Asia Cup. Divyanshi clinches under 15 girls title at Asian Youth TT. India a man scored for Aero tour name. Dhamni safe match point enters pre-quarterfinals. India a man squad for Aero tour name. Prayag, this is one of the best phases of my career. Neetu, Lovlina, Sweetie sign on a final day of elite boxing. Bosich inspires South Africa to huge win over Zimbabwe. Union Cabinet approves national sport policy. India ready to try a few things in clash against Iraq. A day after Moines visit, Flint off joins England training. Peter pulls out of Neeraj Chopra Classic. Prayag, this is one of the best phases of my career. Ramli safe match points enter pre-quarterfinals. Neetu Lovlina Sweetie sign on final day of elite boxings. That is the pictures of Neetu. On top, Neetu left is crowned the 48 kg title winner. Special arrangement.